Step into the world of boundless adventure with CREN MC01, a portable light speaker and your ultimate outdoor companion. Versatility is at your fingertips. Scroll the button to customize your experience to match every mood and setting. Whether hiking, camping, or letting loose under the stars, CREN MC01 adapts seamlessly to every moment of your outdoor escapade. CREN MC01's adaptability knows no bounds. It serves as a flashlight, breathing light sync to the music, floodlight, strobe light, SOS beacon, ambient light, and much more. From setting the mood to signaling for help, CREN has your back in every situation. Wirelessly connect to CREN MC01 units and marvel as you effortlessly create perfectly synchronized lighting and sound control. And when the sun sets, the party begins. Let CREN MC01 be your dancing partner. Feel the beat as it transforms into a dazzling light show, synchronized to the rhythm, elevating every move you make. Witness its unparalleled capability as it projects a powerful beam, reaching an astonishing distance of 240 meters. CREN MC01 is perfectly compatible with an array of accessories including bike mounts, carabiners, magnetic bases, telescopic tripods, and more. It seamlessly adapts to almost any scenario, ready to illuminate every moment. CREN MC01 becomes an indispensable part of your outdoor experience, no matter where adventure takes you. Stay connected and powered up during critical moments and emergencies with CREN MC01 by your side. Immerse yourself in crisp, immersive sound while witnessing the synchronized light show that amplifies your outdoor gatherings. Embrace the spirit of adventure, amplify the fun, and push the boundaries with CREN MC01. It's not just a lantern or a speaker, it's the key to unlocking new adventures and making memories that last a lifetime.